preparing for competitive exams like me, we go through lots of resources like YouTube playlists, model papers, notes, courses, lot of stuff out there. We have to check it out. But it all creates a lots of confusion and mess because we have to organize all of them. We have to choose what really works and we have to store it. And these all things sucks. What if AI helps us in preparation? Well, some people say that it's a bad idea when it comes to games. So I wanted to test this on next 7 days. The rules are simple. Use ChatGPT for the preparation. No YouTube playlists, no notes, no model question papers, and not even Google search. I'm going to learn probability in these 7 days. Before that, I have taken a baseline test to check what is the knowledge level that I have with probability, and this is the test. I'm not good at probability. At this moment, what I'm thinking is the idea actually not that good. Using ChatGPT for gate preparation is not that easy. For gate level of an exam, we don't just go by text. I think YouTube playlist is better than this. So I wanted to stop this experiment. Yes, I'm thinking about that again. I don't want to quit this just because of assumptions. I just wanted to give it a try. Let's try this for 7 days. Sorry, day 1 is gone, right? Let's make it revise to 6 days. I'm starting my preparation.
Trouble, blood is in the rocky waters. Hide away your sons and daughters, eat you alive.
And it all feels confused. ChatGPT giving me a explanation with lots of gaps, but actually giving me a lot of confusion and feeling of quitting. I'm not getting any interest to continue. So I wanted to continue it by tomorrow. Done with the test, I realized 6 important things about using ChatGPT for preparation. When you're preparing for a topic, then you should start with basics, right? Then the AI and ChatGPT are very good at giving you clear overview about the topic and giving the basics, terminologies, formulas, everything in a short note. It's pretty good for basics. And the second one is, when I'm going through the explanations of ChatGPT, ChatGPT leaves some gaps in explanations that actually made me confused and feeling like, why should I go? It's all kind of messy that I wanted to avoid. It's not something like when you're going through YouTube videos, you get the clear explanations. You may think you got that, but I moved a step forward, try to fill those gaps and ask ChatGPT again and again and again. And in the process, what I have learned is if you try to fill those gaps, you'll get the concept more. Even it takes a time, it actually helps you understand the concepts from in and out. And the third thing is, I know the concept, but when it's come to solving the question, I'm stuck in some way. I don't know where I'm going wrong. Then I asked ChatGPT and said me, this is my problem. And ChatGPT made a quick drill like this. Ask me the questions, answer for this, answer for this. And it analyzes where you are stuck in. What is the level of knowledge that you have with this question? What is the level of understanding of the concept? Where you're getting stuck? What is the wrong with you? Everything it analyzes and gives you a clear explanations with that. From now, what I'm doing, when it's come to practice, I will use ChatGPT definitely. As we know, every coin has two sides. There is a main problem prompting. If we don't know to give the context to ChatGPT or any AI tool, it sucks you. So I wanted to make a short form video where I will provide you all the required prompts for you. If you want that, comment context prompt short. I will make a video. And there is another problem when you're using a chatting with AI. It eventually forgets the past data that we are given when you're going through the new conversation. For example, at the end of the day, I asked for whole test, given me only the previous 2 days test because it forgot at the first day, second day topics like Bayes theorem and variance expectations like that topics it missed. Actually, it will be corrected with prompting. When it comes to complex topics, it actually better to choose YouTube videos and YouTube explanations over this for complex topics. And that's the video, guys. What I say is use ChatGPT to organize your preparation, but don't rely on them. And the very important thing is learning with ChatGPT will work if you're ready to fight with confusion. If not, the procrastination takes the control. This is Rishi. See you again.